Hey, hi. This is Saran from Siplink Communications. In this video, I'm going to show how to configure the Polycom SoundPoint IP 331 IP phone. Okay. To get a IP address of that IP phone, go to Menu, Status, Network, TCP/IP parameters. So it will show DHCP enabled. So my network is a DHCP network. Okay. So that's why only it will take the IP automatically. So let me show you how to log in. So the default password of the Polycom is 456. So in this model 456, so I'm giving the 456 and clicking the submit. So it's logged in. Okay. So you know how to take the IP address from the IP phone. Okay, I already shared the video earlier. So here can see I'm going to setting and then lines. There is a two option, line 1 and line 2. So in this model it's having two lines. Okay, line 1 and line 2. Like mobile you know, right, sim 1 and sim 2. So like this only it will work. So line 1 and line 2, so you can able to configure two lines in this device. Okay, so I'm going to configure the account. Let me take my credentials. So you can get these credentials reaches to our supporting www.siplink.in. so you can purchase the lines from our site. So I'm going to configure this one, copy the username, address, authentication user ID, and then label. In this label you can be able to give any numbers or names. You can give anything for your need. You can able to give anything. So as of now I'm going to give 777, or if you want to give employee ID means that's also you can able to give here. So as of now I'm going to give 777 and then going to next type. Here can see, here you have to put the address. Address is here, domain, and then port you have to give 5060, and then SIP server also you have to give domain, and then port will be 5060, and then click save. That's it. In this page these are the details we have to give. Just click save. Yes, now done. And then we have to assign the audio codec settings. Okay, go to settings, audio codec priority. Here can see there is many audio codecs are chosen, so we have to remove those codecs. Click on left, click left. So like this, remove the unwanted codecs. So once you removed unwanted codecs, these three codecs should be used. Okay, these three codecs only enable: G711, EULA, ALA, and G729. Okay, going to click save. Done. And one more option, go to settings and SIP, and here can see local SIP port. So default it's the 0 is the, we can able to give the 5060, so that's the VOIP port, right? So we have to give here, and then remove this digit map completely. It's no need. Once you remove, just click save and click yes. Click OK. Now the phone will be reboot. So after the reboot it will register. I will show you the screen. The phone was rebooted now, and one more settings need to do. Go to simple setup, and here can see SIP outbound proxy, SIP line identification. So here can see it will show the details. In the SIP outbound proxy you have to give that domain. Enter the domain and enter the port number 5060 and SIP server also. That's it. Click save. And if you want to set the time means, go to preference and date and time, and it will show the time zones of your, which time zone you want to set up means you can able to see here. It will show list of time zones. So as of now I will leave as it is. Okay, if you want you can able to change here. So my time zone is US Canada. If I will want means I will can able to assign here. Okay, so like this you can able to choose. That's it. So currently we have done line 1 only. Okay, so as of now my need is line 1. Line 1 configuration was done. Still line 2 is available, it's showing empty, right? If you want to configure the second line, means you can able to configure here. Okay, please check, please look into this video. If any queries, means let me know. Okay, let me know in the comment section, I will reply. Thank you, have a great day.